Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss some fundamental concept of machine learning. So today we will discuss regression. What is regression, types of regression, and some examples. It is a powerful technique that allows us to make prediction based on historical data. Let's look about the definition of regression. So, what exactly is regression in the machine learning? Well, regression is a type of a supervised learning algorithm that aims to establish a relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variable. It is a type of supervised learning. Remember in the previous video, we discussed there are three types of machine learning. One is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, and the third one is reinforcement. And so regression is a type of supervised learning. That supervised learning is the model that the system will learn from the data and give you the output. So, in simpler term, it helps us to predict a numeric outcome based on input data. Remember, in supervised learning algorithms, we give the input and also give the output. And this is the input and this is the related output of this data. Now, we will discuss types of regression. There are two types of regression. One is linear regression. It assumes a linear relationship between the dependent and independent variables. We will discuss about in detail in next videos. But you have to remember what is a linear regression. Linear regression is uh, it, it assume a linear relationship between dependent and independent variable. The second one is multiple linear regression. It is extending linear regression to multiple independent variables. In linear regression, there is one dependent variable and one is independent variable. In multiple linear regression, there are multiple independent variables. First, we will explain the linear regression. Uh, I will try here to linear regression with some real world example. Let's break down linear regression with a real world example. Imagine you are a real estate agent and you want to predict house prices based on the square footage of the house. The square footage here is independent variable x. The square footage is independent variable x, and the house price is dependent variable y. So linear regression draw a line that best fit the data points, allowing you to make prediction for a new houses. Okay, mathematical representation of linear regression. The equation for simpler linear regression might look like is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope of line and b is the y-intercept and x is the input variable. Now multiple linear regression. Now let's say you want to predict uh, house prices not just based on a square footage but also on the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Here you are applying multiple linear regression because there are more than one independent variables. Okay, in the linear regression, there is only one independent variable, that is square footage. And here there are three, which is number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and the square footage. Okay, the equation becomes a bit more complex, but it essentially extends the idea of predicting y based on multiple independent variables. Okay, now we will discuss applications in business. Linear regression isn't limited to real estate. Okay, in business, you might use regression to predict sales based on advertising spend, or in healthcare to predict patient recovery time based on various medical factors. Next one is challenges in consideration. While regression is a powerful tool, it not without it's not without challenges. One challenge is overfitting and underfitting. I will make a video on these two, what is overfitting and what is underfitting. But now you have to remember this for this challenges and consideration in the linear regression. So what is overfitting and what is underfitting, I will discuss in another video. Now you have to only remember the names, that these are the challenges. One is overfitting and one is underfitting. uh, Overfitting and underfitting and ensuring the data follows the assumption of model are crucial consideration. Okay, in conclusion, regression is like having a crystal ball for numeric prediction, whether it is forecasting sale, predicting stock prices, or understanding trends. Regression is an invaluable tool in the world of machine learning. Thank you for joining us in this journey to the realm of regression in the machine learning. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insight into fascinating world of machine learning. Until next time, happy coding.